Welcome back to another episode of Generational Investing. It's your favorite coach, Coach Flow, aka Cash Flow, bringing you hot stocks, hot crypto, hot side hustles. And this is a big week. This is a big weekend as we get ready for our 3-day weekend. This one right here, this is going down in history books because we're getting ready for the presidential inauguration that's going to happen in a few days. And crypto is on fire. Yes, it is. It is on fire. And the main crypto I'm going to share with you on this particular segment, this one is XRP. Let me know in the chat if you got some XRP, because this one right here, this one got the skyrocket. This has got so much upside. This is that jet fuel that's finna go where? To the moon. So if you are new to the channel, hit the thumbs up, hit the like, hit subscribe. We on our way to 1,000 subscribers. I'm already sitting at 800 plus, all right, and counting. So do me a favor, hit that thumbs up. We want to generate more and more. Get these likes up to let your family, your friends, people across the world know that this is a time to make money. This is a time for financial freedom. This is time for financial independence. Why? Because this is the year of opportunity, and breakouts is going to happen for you, all right, if you just believe. And so at time of recording, XRP is sitting at it's sitting at $3.28. And man, when I say XRP, aka Ripple, has been around for some years. It may be new to you, but for those who've been in XRP since like 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, they just been holding. They just been buying and holding and buying and holding. And even when it went down and it pulled back, it's just been buying and holding. And so XRP is one of those sleeping giants that has woken up. It took a long nap, and the reason why it took a long nap because the SEC, yes. This one right here, this is Security Exchange Commission, Gary Gensler, the chairman, the one who pretty much been talking down on XRP. Now he's about to actually resign and get up out of here. And so, and then with the court cases, they've been trying to just keep it down, but this one you cannot keep down. This one right here, now since we're finna get a new president in office, new administration, the new administration team is all crypto friendly. So you know what that means? Yes, I'm glad you asked, because crypto is finna take off this year. Not only that the bull cycle has started, but altcoin season is around the corner. That's right, altcoins, all the small altcoins, they're finna wake up. Okay, so the Solanas, the Cardanos, Ethereum, that's already in the works with upgrading. That's going to happen in March. So watch Ethereum. That one's been kind of consolidating and staying stagnant, but it's not going to stay stagnant for long. So watch out for that. But back to XRP, like I said, you cannot keep this down for long. And now the world will know, because not just the US, but the world has been using this fast transaction asset. It makes transactions, it prints out the transactions so fast, okay? And it does transactions so fast when it comes to payments. And so a lot of people across the world, like I said, has been using this. US now then jumped on board. And so now watch, this year is gonna make some moves. So this inauguration for Trump, hey, whether you like or love him, crypto is definitely here to stay, and crypto is finna make some major headways. Yes, this is the year when crypto really starts to get that adoption as we go into next year and the year after. This one right here, XRP, is gonna be the leading headway, and now people can start to really see, you know what? Let me kind of get interested in this crypto, because now they're looking to push out an XRP ETF. Okay, yes, that's up and coming. We talking about it could happen next month, could happen in March, but definitely XRP ETF. This one is going to allow the everyday person. I'm talking about the truck drivers. I'm talking about the lawyers. I'm talking about the nurses, the doctors, people with IRAs and retirement accounts can get into this type of ETF. So now this is going to broaden the doors for a lot of people to use this thing and really start to just implement and adopt. So the XRP ETF is definitely around the corner. So stay tuned for the updated news on that, because I'm gonna continue doing research. But I'm excited for XRP because I got some, and I'm gonna continue to keep buying, because this one they're predicting with analysts, and I'm not going to say I agree or disagree, but the upside on this has room to really run. Okay, now since Gary Gensler and the SEC is moving out the way and the court cases moved out the way, so what's stopping it? Nothing really. So we're talking about $5 short term. When I say short term, it happened with the next month or two. We're talking about long term. This one can push up to $10. Some analysts are saying $20, $50, $100. Okay, and some even saying $1,000. Okay, so there's money to be made in XRP, and I want you to tap into that space. And if you're wondering how to get your crypto journeys started, Coinbase, Uphill, Robinhood, these are crypto exchanges. You can trade stocks as well. For my shout out to my traders out there. But if you're a long-term investor like myself, you can jump in on the train. So it's not too late to get on this XRP rocket ship. It's not too late to get it on the train. It's not too late to get on the boat, but you gotta start. Okay, you gotta start. So like I said, you have all these exchanges that you can jump on and just continue to do your due diligence. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor for you to buy, hold, or sell, but watch out for XRP. I say watch out for it. This one right here, this is on my top 3, along with my other coins I've been holding on to and just buying and holding, just DCAing. For those who don't know, dollar cost averaging $20 here, $10 here, $50 here, $100 here. Just do what's best for you, because like I said, I don't want you to miss this opportunity that awaits us in this crypto space. And on top of that, you're looking to get out of debt, you're looking to buy a house, you're looking to buy a car, you're looking to go on vacation. Crypto is definitely one of the ways that you can tap into and knock all this stuff off your checklist. If you got a resolution for this year, where you want to be, crypto is going to get you there, but you have to do your due diligence, you have to do your homework, and you too can be a part of this millionaire status. So you have enjoyed this episode, hit the thumbs up, hit the like, hit the subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.